Good morning from Grand Plain Farm. It's July 21st, 2025, and it's about 11 a.m. And it's starting to sprinkle. It's like 67 degrees, and it's supposed to rain today. Yeah, a little bit of sprinkles. So far, the ground is mainly dry. Little rain dots on it. It is dark and depressing, though. Yeah, I can't wait for the sun to shine again. I guess I should get that trailer moved before it starts raining. I don't want to move it on the tractor. I'd like to get it off